Pa-surprise pa sila nalalaman. Hello po! Good evening everyone. Oo, parang ako yung na-surprise. Sila lang din pala yun. Oo, maganda kami po sa inyo natin. Happy first year anniversary of Zumba Heart Fanatics. It's version 2. Ano yung season na? Version 2?
Version 2.0. Pinapuna namin yung first version.
Hindi dapat tinapon. Learn from it and become a better version of ngayon kung anong meron kayo ngayon.
Now, moving forward, baka next 3.0 na to.
Ganun naman talaga yan. Dapat mag-level up lahat. Diba? Anyways, good evening everyone. My name is Alvin Pansino, the singing hero. Your host for tonight, of course, along with my partner.
My name is Dusty. Nice to meet you all.
Kanina sabi mo ba, kinakabahan ka?
Siyempre.
Ako lang pa, dapat talaga hindi talaga kakabahan. Right? Anyways, so before we will start our proper program, guys, we would like to request everyone to please go out for the
Parade of Stars.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0. Come on!
Come on, guys! Dapat nakasayaw ha pagkapasok. Woo! Sasha! Our Ate Cora. Hello! Ate Lisa. Ate Ruby. Marie. Our Ate Ami. Oh, our new Pakistani hero. Kaya! Wala ko o hindi sa kaya.
Dapat umpisa pa lang ng energy na. Diba? Ayun na na. The stars of the night. Di ba yung mga partner nyo kayo dito?
Pagod na kayo?
Jeff, videographer.
Tawag ng ilong ha. Nakakain mo?
So, kayo kayo nagkulang ng energy agad? Nakapasok na lang? Pagod na agad, guys? Matuloy na pasok?
And of course, your special guests, kung meron man kayo mga dala mga special guests of course, and sa lahat po ng mga sponsors, this event will not be happen of course without your sponsors guys, di ba? Sino magbabayad? Kayo lang din. Oh.
Walang
prizes.
Walang guest dito, lahat bayad to.
Ay, talaga?
Wala ka pero hindi ka nakaka-join. Yun ang masakit dito.
Ay, okay lang yan. Yun nga dapat, yung binaya, dapat mag-enjoy kayo ngayon.
Yeah.
Diba? Welcome everyone here at your first anniversary celebration. O, palakpakan yung mga sarili nyo. Yeah. And of course, guys, to give you an opening remarks, we would like to call on Miss Angie, or your admin, of course, to give you some opening remarks, of course, a recap of your groups, of course. Palakpakan po, Miss Angie.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our first ever Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0 first anniversary. For those who don't know me, I'm Angie, and I am one of the member 4As before na nag-start nito, but yung isa sa amin is may ibang group na. So, let's move on. The group blossoms continue growing and rest is history. I know too much history, but let's move on, as I said. And now we are here tonight celebrating another milestone, and I wish and pray the Zumba community will not just grow in numbers, but with many friendships and dips, bonds, cherries, and have more Zumba fun events to celebrate. So now get ready to grow and have fun and absolute blast. Let's get this party started. Please have fun and arrange a race to program and have been prepared by admins, advisors, and some of the valued members. This is our first, so let's have fun, guys. Ayan. So good evening, everyone. Enjoy po.
Alright.
Thank you for that 5-minute opening remarks.
5 minutes talaga.
5 minutes yun. Kabisado
ko. Dapat naman kasi. But anyways, before we will move on to highlights your events or happenings, previews before nag 1 year kayo. So I would like to ask my partner. So how the Zumba grow in your observation?
Oh my God. Physically, it really
Hindi. Heightly.
Hindi. Wala sa katawan ko. Palang obvious naman, hindi ako nakaka-benefit. Actually, I really gain a lot of friends. True friends. It's really like the definition of friendship. Not just about friendship, but I mean, the team leading, respecting each boundaries, different cultures, since we do have different like nationalities in our group. And it's just so fun. And what is just an hour for your time in a day. So talagang nakaka-benefit, maging healthy, di ba? Ang sarap kaya magiging healthy.
Correct. Hindi ba nga kayo nag-zumba? Katapos kayo zumba lamon. Tapos after zumba na naman ulit.
Yeah.
Kasi ano yung zumba nyo kung wala naman kayong i-burn?
Yeah. At saka maganda dito, walang edad kung matanda ka man, bata, pwede.
Pwede as long as marunong nakakalakad pa din.
Yeah.
Kaya sasabi nila, itong mga zumba na to, pagkatapos mag-zumba, kakain na lamon. Pakialam mo, ano i-burn nila kung wala silang, hindi sila lalamon after mag-zumba. Di
Mas
ba?
maganda nga pag andyan ka na.
Kiss ko, Lord. No, ano ba i-burn ko?
Hindi mo kailangan i-burn.
Isa pa yung sa bagay, yung mga buto-buto ko na.
Mag-chase ka lang ng boys doon. Madaming boys.
Alright, sige. But before that, sige, ano na natin ang ating mga happenings sa event nyo previously. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, ayan, para si Jeff, ikaw ba si Jeff? Ayan. Sino si Jeff? Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, watch your...
Tingnan nyo yung mga itsura nyo dati, ha? Kung ano yung pinagbago talaga sa ngayon.
Tumaba kayo o pumayat? Or ewan ko.
I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are oversized, words only you would hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. If you know the song, sing the song. To repeat the move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way I love you. And I whisper these words as you lie by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they can change my life forever. And I promise that you will always be together till the end of time.
Come, Mr. Kevin. Yeah. Because of your effort, we have something special for you. Yeah, kahit late ka. Here.
So ano yan? Yan po yung transformation stories?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, picture. Picture kayo.
Daddy, picture. Ako.
Okay, next.
You think this picture? Thank you so much, Madam Lenny. Where is Dusty? Ay, uy! Diyan ka pala. Wow, ka pala yan. Of course, congratulations to our best transformation stories, Ate Cora!
That's Ate Cora from 98 kg down to 79.
Congratulations! Or is Annalisa? So who is the most active member? Are they 1, 2, 3, 4? Only one. Congratulations! Our most active member is no other than
Ate Cora!
Ate Carol! Ikaw na naman! Oh my God! Sakit na sakit
gitna, sa gitna, sa gitna. Huwag kayong tumabi sa akin. Ikaw na naman! Oh my God, bumigay ka naman sa iba!
Araw-araw siyang andon kasi may daming nag-aabang na ibang lahi sa kanya.
Ay, ganun ba? Mabenta pala ito. And of course, I would like to call on Admin Jude and Admin Jean to give us the King and Queen of the Night.
Yes!
We'll award the King and Queen of the Night. Who is it? Judy? Sorry, Judy and Admin Sam. By Admin Sam.
Kayong dalawa ang mag-award. Asan yung award?
So,
The King and Queen of the Night.
okay. First, we would like to award our Queen of the Night. Who would it be? Congratulations! And you are our Queen of the Night.
Miss Rose.
Ay, wow. So, Pakistan na kayo. Okay, nagtaka mo na sa stage.
Ave Maria, lumapit ka.
Doon ka muna, mamaya na yung award mo. Mamaya na, mamaya.
Mahal mo Reyna, magbaw ka.
Start. Sa stage ka, sa stage sa taas. And of course, our King of the Night is no other than
Beshi!
Ha? Sino ba? Oh yun, inaward na pala siya. Akala ko kasi siya magsasabi eh. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palagyan po natin ang ating King and Queen of the Night. Uy, mali ata. Ha? Bakit naging King?
Queen siya!
Mga walang natin. Eme lang. Dalawang Queen yan. Dapat meron din kayong middle.
Actually, 4 na silang queen dyan, oh.
I think our fan games is ready na. Alright. May I call on again, once again, of course, Madam Lenny, and of course, Madam Ollie, for our first game for tonight.
Only one game.
We do have 2 games, don't you worry, guys. We still have 30 minutes to play that games. Si Madam, ay, sila, okay. Ano ba ito? Guess. Oh, ano? Sini attach. Silang lahat kasali.
Pwede po magpipick lang ng isa bawat isang picture.
So meaning to say, the person who will guess first is the winner or what? Isa lang, mauna. First.
Pick muna po bago sumagot.
Pick muna.
Yes.
So kung sino yung maunang mag-raise ng hand, wag yung paa. Raise ng hand, then ituturo natin. Alright. Okay. Sino i-attach?
the music again. So kaya dapat sa inyo panghuli kayo para kayo manalo. Hello. Bago po si Ate Ana magsalita, gusto ko lang po munang humingi ng konting minuto para magpasalamat sa taong to. Kung hindi po dahil sa kanya, hindi magiging sobrang saya at sobrang extra special yung ating first anniversary. Maraming salamat po kasi kahit napaka-busy mo, talagang pinagbigyan mo kami na makaparating sa aming anniversary event ngayong gabi. So, thank you so much, Mr. Alvin.
Sabi naman kayo sa thank you, magkikita pa tayo. Tonight, makikita yun lang. Kung nadaanan mo kayo kung saan kayo nagsusumad dyan sa tabi-tabi. Diba? Alright, thank you for this. Minsan I really appreciate it.
Looking back, I can't imagine that we got too far, celebrating 1-year anniversary. Seems like yesterday. From the members to admins, coach, scene, and advisors, thank you so much for continuing with us. I'm so proud of each and every one of you for dancing with passion, energy, and joy. Thank you for being part of this incredible Zumba Heart Fanatics version 2.0 family. Please always remember to keep healthy, keep dancing, and most of all, keep shining. Until next time, next year, stay fit and keep on Zumba passion alive. Gracias, and see you on our usual dance floor in Moracaban. Thank you.
I wish everyone here na sana hahaba pa ang pagsasamahan nyo. And enjoy na kayo always kasi sabi nga, kung yan ang passion nyo, of course masaya kayo dyan. Kasi dyan din ako nagsimula actually, to be honest, to give you a little story. I started dancing when I was young.
since siguro kindergarten pa ako, magaling na daw talaga akong sumayaw, sabi ng nanay at tatay ko. And even after... Hoy! And even after, siguro hanggang nag-college ako, yun, di lang yung passion ko dancing. So yung singing ko, I started my singing way back 2010 na. And it happens only someone pushed me to, to show my talent in singing. Pero since bata talaga ako hanggang nag-college ako, sumasayaw ako, lagi ako nag-ano ng mga street dancing, chair dance, mga folk dance, mga ano rin mga ganun, tango-tango, cha-cha. Ay, maano ko dyan, lagi ako nandyan. Pero, ewan ko lang, ano na siya. Pumunta ko ng Manila, nag-shoot na ito singing, pero doon ako lang na-discover na marunong na ako kumanta. So sana keep on dancing guys, kasi yan ang passion niyo. So, ganun din naman, passion ko rin ako pagsayaw, kaso nga lang, hindi na kaya ng tuhod eh. Eme lang. Pero of course, if I have a chance, I will join you guys one of these days sa ibang group. And congratulations sa inyo, sana hahaba pa kayo pagsasamahan. Of course, sa lahat po ng mga admins, of course, at sa mga nag-guide po sa lahat ng mga members, sana inyo pala. Congratulations sa inyo kasi hindi mahirap magdala ng grupo actually. Kudos to all admins and leaders. Sa lahat po ng mga instructor dyan, kami si mga gano'n-gano'n ng mga instructors dyan, di ba? Galing. Congratulations to each and everyone, and congratulations. Good luck and enjoy the rest of the night. My name is Alvin Pansino, the CEO and your host for tonight. Sana hindi magsawa sa akin, and we'll see you around. God bless everyone. Enjoy. At magsasayawan pa kayo. Mayroon pa kayong 10 minutes to have a dance. Alright? Thank you everyone. Dance na daw.
Aming dalawang members na wala po kami magandang dekorasyon ngayon.
Ayun, siyempre naman, ang gaganda ng mga decoration. So, dapat talaga, they deserve to feel some of course, a gift from everyone. Of course, sino po ba sila? Baby Loves? Ay, ito! Hindi ba? Mag-pick na kayo! Meron na kayo mga ganyan. Ay, sino pala mga mama? Sorry.
da 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 da.